Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. A while ago I did this tray and I wanted to try to recreate this accidental happening. And yeah, this is what the new video is all about. And if this sounds interesting to you, just stay tuned. The first thing that I did, I put some gloss varnish into my cups and mica to it. And from looking at it now, doing the voiceover, I think the first time I did that, I put lots of more mica in there because it was more like a paste and not like a liquid coloring. I proceeded anyhow, and as you can see, the color really, retracts itself somehow from the silicone because it doesn't stick to it. And yeah, I did put both colors into the trays because I wanted to see where it was going, and I kind of liked that look that came out of there. And this is why I chose to proceed in this. So this is the first one I did, and as you can see, the retraction is real, but it looks so much interesting that I think, yeah, I keep going and see where this leads me. So I took my heat gun out and was trying to get it to retract anymore. And yeah, when I'm finished, I just let that dry thoroughly. I wanted some glitter into my rims of those trays, and therefore I just mixed it with some resin and only poured it into the rim of the trays because I didn't want it to be where the blue spots are to cover all that. And after that, I just put a layer of clear resin on top of the blue stuff and yeah, just let it dry like that. This is what it looked like now, and yeah, I just let it cure that way. I want to create a peekaboo effect somehow, and this is why I took my temporary tattoos out, and now I'm just trying to figure out how to put them down. So the first thing I did, I cut the shape of the tattoos out so I would see from the back exactly where the tattoo will be. Because the paper is not see-through, and yeah, I wouldn't know where to put it if I didn't cut it out. So I take the protective sheet off, and as you can see, I just dropped it. So if you put it down, you cannot move it again because otherwise you will rip your tattoo. So I do that for all 4 of the tattoos. I laid everything down, I took a tissue paper and made it wet and just dabbing the water onto the back of those tattoos. And if you can slide the paper around, the tattoo has stuck to the underground, and yeah, you can take the papers off. So it already looks really, really good, and I really like it. What do you think about it up to now? Let me know in the comments. So I got this glitter that I won from Into Resin. It's a holographic glitter, and the sparkle is real. I can't even say it enough. It's like really good quality glitter, and I wouldn't want to miss it. Now I pour my resin on top of the tattoos, covering them in like not so thick but not too thin way, just so they're really covered with resin. And what you got to be aware of, that you have to let your temporary tattoos really, really get dry, otherwise you will be having a problem in between your layers of resin. I take one of those micro brushes and getting into those 90-degree angles, just to dislocate all the bubbles that might have been stuck there, and maybe look ugly when the resin is cured. And yeah, now we have just to let it cure. For my background, I chose white pigment paste and I mixed it up with resin. Yeah, I wanted the front really pop. So now we have to let it cure, and then we go to the next step. It is about 24 hours later, and I'm demolding now my little trays. And yeah, I'm really curious how they're going to look, yeah, with all that is going on in there. So what do you think? I really, really love it. You can see every little step that I made in there, and the blue really, really pops, even though it didn't cover the tattoos in the back. I really like it. And for the second one, even though there is more blue in there, I really think this has gone good too. And because the blue color on there is only like clear varnish with some mica powder, I have to cover it with resin just to protect it a little bit better. They're finished now, and I'm really, really not disappointed in the way that they look. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. It's always nice talking to you. And yeah, I hope you had a lot of fun watching this, as I had a lot of fun doing it for y'all. And yeah, I really think those two little trays came out great. What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know. Until my next video, I hope I see you again. Bye bye.